With Aspire Beta being released, there's a few features in the table usage that I'd like to point out to you. Firstly, with tables in Aspire, it's possible to change the columns. So for example, we can hide and show columns. So here we're going to hide columns related to capillaries, because as you can see we don't have any capillaries in this pipe design. So let's get rid of the tube diameter and also the tube length. The other thing we can do here is we can change the position, so we might want to move the transport time, say, straight off the hole diameter. We can, as you'd expect, change the sizes of the widths of different columns as well. Now, not only can we do this with a pipe network, we can also do it with the groups. If I go to the group details, you'll see now that we actually have some other properties of sampling points here. Again, we can choose to hide these if we don't want to see them. And of course we can always bring them back. And we can also change their position or their relative order. Well, what else have we got here? As in any grid, we can use our cursor keys to move around and readily edit the keys. So we can either hit F2 to go into edit mode, or just directly start typing for these sort of simple fields. So here I'm going to just change that to 2.5 meters, and I'm going to change that hole size to 3.5 millimeter hole. Now, a new feature that's come with Aspire Beta is the ability to be able to fill down. So if I select these two fields and then select, say, another 3 rows down, when I click on this fill down button, it will replicate those values from the top cells down to the others. If I just select one cell and do fill down and not arrange, then that's taken to fill everything underneath. So if I do that, you'll see that all these cells now are set at full. The other thing that has changed is there's now, if we go to the edit menu, there's a copy all function. And what the copy all does is it copies every cell from every column and every row in that table, whether the column or the row is hidden at the time. So if we do that, this will all have been copied to clipboard and we can paste it into a spreadsheet or into a Word document. That applies to all tables, so even if we go up and pick up, say, the summary table, we have the same option and we can copy everything there. So here's just some new features with Aspire Beta.